Hey folks, this is Edward Mann from Fast Eddys Keys Express LLC from Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to give you a small locksmith tip. It's over to the fact that the key is stuck in the lock and won't come out. And this happens more than you think. Usually it's due to the fact that the tail cap needs tightening so the key can slide out properly, or the lock cylinder shot. But this will help you, to get your keys back, and maybe get a locksmith out within the next couple days. So why don't we take a look? So the key won't come out, but what you do is you take your index finger, push in on the core, and push it inward, line the key up at 12 o'clock, and the key slides out magically. So this is what you can do to get your keys out and take your time at calling a locksmith out to repair the lock. Well, thank you, and thanks for joining us today, and have a good day.